Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking kuttu ke aate ki puri. You can also call it as buckwheat flour Indian bread. These puris are mostly eaten at the time of various festivals like Shivratri, Janmashtami, Navratri, etc. This is a great vegan and gluten-free food. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make kuttu ke aate ki puri for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are making kuttu ke aate ki puri. To make kuttu ke aate ki puri, we have taken 2 cups of kuttu ka atta. Now add the salt as per your taste. Because this puri is mostly eaten at the time of vrat or fasting, so we are adding the sendha namak or sendha salt. So add the salt as per your taste. Add some green chilies as per your taste. Please skip the green chilies if you don't want to make it spicy. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. So we are adding 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Add some black pepper powder as per your taste. Now mash the potatoes and start kneading the dough. Kuttu ka atta becomes soggy very easily. Just make sure you don't add too much of water. So first mash the potatoes and mix with the flour and add the water very slowly. And we need to make it into a tight dough because once we rest the dough, it will leave some moisture. Start adding the water very slowly. Don't add too much of water because once you rest the dough, it will leave a lot of moisture. Friends, you can see that we have kneaded the kuttu ka atta into a tight dough. So now we'll rest it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we'll start rolling the puris. While we are resting the dough, you can start heating the oil in the pan to make the puris. After resting the dough for 10 minutes, add some oil and grease the dough with the oil. Now we will make the small balls from this dough. So take the small pieces of the dough and make it into a ball like this. Don't make too much big balls, just make small balls. So we have made the balls from the dough. Now let's roll it. To roll the puri, take the ball and dust it with the flour. Now we need to roll it gently using the rolling pin. So kuttu ke aate ki puri is not very thin. It will be a little bit thick, and you can see that this is neither too thin nor too thick. Now let's deep fry the puri. You can see that how beautifully it is popped up. Similarly, we can make all the puris. Let me show you one more time. So let's roll one more puri. It's very easy to roll this puri. Just roll it very gently and fry it into the hot oil. While frying the puri, make sure that the flame is at medium high and the oil is really very hot. Then only your puris will pop up. So you can see that how beautifully it is popped up. Cook it nicely on both the sides. So friends, our kuttu ke aate ki puri is ready, and we have served it with dry potato sabzi, aloo ki gili sabzi or potato sabzi with liquid gravy and yogurt. So enjoy this puri with your family and friends. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies for new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies. And like and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.